how to make Oreo milkshake. For Oreo milkshake, we need a blender and we need Oreo biscuit and a jar and his lid and some milk and some sugar. So I'm going to put in milk. Yeah. Heavy, so no kids cannot touch it. Only me. I put some little bit milk. Then I have to put some 3 Oreo biscuits. And 4 Oreo biscuits. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Add some sugar. Have to close it tight and you put it upside down. Then you go like I will mix it up till it gets good. And I'm gonna put some milkshake in my favorite glass. I put like this. Yum! You can make it too, friends. Thank you for watching me.